Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to switch back to classic view on Scotia Online. So if you don't like this new view, I'll show you exactly how we can switch back to classic view, and it's actually very easy. Now, first make sure you're actually logged in, okay, to Scotia Online, and here you'll see your dashboard, right? What I want you to do is just come over here at the top right. You'll see your profile icon and these three horizontal lines. So I want you to just tap on this, okay? And once you tap on this, you get a drop down, right? And what I want you to do is just click right here on go back to classic view. So tap on this, and as soon as you tap on this, it will take you back to classic view, as you can see right here. And it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.